Hello! Welcome to our vlog. And for today's video we will going to clean our face with Shanika. So we already wipes our hands. We will just going to use to wipe this in our face because it's early morning pa naman. So Shanika, look at Mimi, how are you going to wipe our face?
Me, you pop this one brown.
It's alum, Shanika.
You didn't turn up, right?
It cannot be come off. Hindi na yan mawawala. Char. Nag-English pa. Yan. Yan, Shanika. You wipe yourself like this. Okay. Then next is your neck. You wipe your neck. So, okay. So, how are you, Shanika? What's your name?
Nani?
That's video. What's your name?
Nani is Shaida Lero Huta.
How old are you?
5 years old.
Did you go to school?
Yes.
What grade level are you now? Kinder 1 or Kinder 2?
Kinder 2.
Kinder 2. Okay. What did you do in the school?
I did the toddlers.
What did you do?
Toddlers.
Colors. I see. Did you where's your colors? Can you show to our netizens your colors? Go. Get your colors. Let's show it to the netizen. Guys, nag-color daw siya. So, ipakita niya sa tuwa iyang colors. So, nagkuhan ko no kay murag kuhan ako ang face chart arte. Dili kay murag kuhan kayo ako ang nawang baka ng ugaw. So, nag-webs na lang ko kay sayo pa man pod. Unya pa ko maligo kay wala may klase gud kay holiday. Na Muslim holiday, and since most sa mga tao diri sa among lugar is mga Muslim man, so mao nang appeal mi sa holiday. So kuha niya yung colors. So wala ko nawon guys. So nag-wait ko nga nice slots no nga mag-book sa slots. So yan nagi ko ganina no di lang ko sure din ba kan pero ato na gyapon. So, mang lipstick ko ron. Ayaw lang katingala guys. Ganun ng lipstick ko guys. Because, nag-wait ko og booking. Nag-wait ko og booking sa ako ang 51 talk guys. So, nag-51 talk teacher. Wala imohang kuan? Wala imohang tawagan ni? Imohang color?
Yes.
Dili na nato mapakita sa mga netizen imohang color noon. Mag-school ka tomorrow.
We still? This is again. Slowly eating the nose.
You want to? You want as well? But you're still a baby. This is not for baby man.
What is it? Did eat eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow? I don't wear eyeshadow. Mammy's did na, mommy don't want makeup. Can you get a comb in my bag, please? Can you get the comb in my bag?
This? Makeup?
Makeup, yeah. No, just the brush.
Brush.
The brush for my hair.
Hair.
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Bag.
It's my bag. Here, there. Here, there. Hindi na marunong mag-English. Yeah, that one. Go and just no, not that one. The brush.
Brush.
Yeah, hair brush.
This?
Yeah, that one. Can you give it to me?
It's red.
It's red?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it's orange. Red though.
Orange.
Is it red?
It is red.
Oh, okay.
And the no brown.
Do you want to brush your hair?
Yes. I want it.
So, unsa may ingon nimo sa tong netizen? Unsa ingon nimo sa tong netizen? Hoy. Istorya atong netizen diri sa video. Unsa imong ingon ba sa tong netizen? Unsa imong ingon sa tong netizen? What's that?
No.
Unsa man na? You show yourself in the video.
Oopsie.
What happened? So, ako ang kuno kong buhok nga perting ko no. Perting gahia. Wala jud pag-asa akong buhok, guys. Parang dili na ako magpaliban next time kasi naguba na akong buhok.
Oopsie.
Oh,
No.
dara ba ko'y kuhan? Saan na lang na ako dito? What's that? Pwede ko.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
So we had ako guys, manarbaho na sad ko ani guys no. So while waiting ana ako slots or naay mo sulod sa slots. Dagan kay kung ato. Dagan kay paperworks guys because nag-advisor na po ko for today's video no. For this school year advisor ko. So I need to do some paperworks, you know, like magbuhat na pud og mga lessons. So ako na lang gi-maximize akong time. Wow, maximize the time daw, charot. Dili ay wala ginakuha na lang nako akong work because you know like hitting two birds in one stone. Kumbaga na nga pagka-istorya ba in a way nga while I'm working with my paperworks or schoolworks, nag-wait po kong slots, no? So, kung ay mo sulod, then I can have a, like, time to relax kasi magtuturo man. And then, while I'm waiting for a booking sa 5-1 talk, magbuhat po ko sa akong mga responsibility as a school teacher. So, mauna siya. Can you put this one in the trash can, please? You put in the trash can because it's dirty. So, inanaw na siya guys, no? Kailangan din nato mo kayod og ayo because isod kay ang panahon, grabe ang cost of living, dili makaya sa usa ka tao lang. So, need nato og mga side hustle, side job na align lang po sa unsa po'y trabaho nako kay mas dali raman siya and then no need for preparations na ba. So, mora to siya. So, for now, maalang na siya ang chismis sa aming buhay. And thank you for watching, guys. Hope you will like, subscribe in my YouTube channel and in my Facebook. You can follow me. Yay! Char. Follow me in my Facebook, guys. Para po makaganahan po ta. Dili na ka mag-play, ane? Alright, I'm gonna keep this, okay? Yeah, because it will easy man good to keep na ko. So, mara to guys. Goodbye for now. Ay, naku anak. Wait lang. Sariko, come here. Sariko. Sariko, come here. Look at yourself here. Diri. Diri, Mimi. Come. Say hi sa tong netizen. Diri. Come ba? Come. Hala. Ali daw yun. Say. Alisa. Come here ba? Come here. Diri. May go ka. Diri ka agi. Diri. Ipapata sa diri. Okay, hello guys. This is Sariko. Say hi. Hello. I'm Sariko. No, Sariko. Okay, goodbye. Mag-play na si Sai. Alright na, sige na. Magbabay nami. Magbabay nami. Bye-bye.